We're back here at the Brigus Biscuit box with Walter. Walter, it looks like you've gotten a lot done here.
Yeah, since the last time you guys were here, we've made leaps and bounds really, and I would say we're probably 50% complete. Let's take a look around and I'll show you guys what we've done since the last time you were here.
So is there any major things you had to do since the last time we were here, Walter?
Oh, there was lots. The big thing, like we said, was the framing up of upstairs, getting ready to be able to push the walls out, just add the structure to the house.
Walter, tell us what you have going on with the downstairs washroom here.
The downstairs, it's in the same original location that the bathroom was. Pretty much the entire downstairs is the same layout. We got all new updated plumbing. The tub is installed now. We're going to be doing something interesting for the shower walls. It's definitely going to be pretty interesting. All the plumbing has been completed in the entire home with the exception to the tie-in of the upstairs bathroom. So all the water lines, the waste lines, everything's done in the crawl space. So we're well on our way really to the finishing stage of the interior.
Walter, did you want to let us know what it is that you're going to do that's special on the walls, or you want to keep that as a
right now? I'd like to wait and kind of unveil it when we do it, because it's definitely going to be different. I've never seen it before.
Oh.
It's going to be interesting. And I want to make sure that it actually works out first.
Intriguing.
So Walter, you were just telling us that you're going to be doing something here with this window.
Yeah, we made a lot of changes, especially to window locations in the house. This particular one is going to be a diamond window, and I was actually talking to a local stained glass maker in St. John's. His Instagram is stained glass from the rock, and we're working on getting a custom design made, a panel to be installed to the window. So it's going to be a pretty interesting feature of the home when it's all complete.
Nice. We're in the master bedroom, and it's quite large compared to the original bedroom that was here.
Yeah, the rooms feel a lot larger now. The big thing that we did was remove all the closets. We felt that the house don't really need full-fledged closets. A lot of the homes at this age you'd use armoires or dressers or whatnot. And another thing we had to do was replace some of the floorboards, especially in areas that we removed the walls, because there was holes drilled for electrical and whatnot. We sourced a lot of rough lumber. 1-inch plank is what the house would have been done originally with. And we actually installed the boards with the square nails that we salvaged from the walls. So when these floors are all cleaned up and the paint scraped back, and it should look near original and almost impossible to find the patches. One thing that we had to do in order to stiffen the floor was add a new joist in this main hallway. The span between the boards was 32 inches. It was just way too wide to make the floor really spongy. So we ended up putting a new joist in that was actually the original beam that we replaced in the kitchen. We ended up running out of square nails, the original ones that came from the wall. So what we ended up doing is cutting the tops of the nails with a grinder, squaring them off so they look original. So it took a bit of time, but when it's all sanded back, it's going to look legit.
We're just outside with Walter now, and he was showing the colors he's chosen for the biscuit box.
Yeah, we ended up choosing colors that's kind of, I guess, Republic of Newfoundland flag style. The main trim of the house is going to be the blue. It's called Blue Danube from Benjamin Moore. The main body of the house is going to be white, the Chantilly lace from Benjamin Moore. There's going to be a little bit of accent trim colors here and there, which is the green. I do believe the color is crystalline from Benjamin Moore, and the doors are going to be the pink shade, which is First Light from Benjamin Moore. There's definitely a lot going on, but I think when it all comes together, it's going to look pretty sharp.
Walter, you're just telling me you're doing something outside here?
Yeah, one of the main architectural changes we're going to be doing to the exterior is, I guess you can call it a bell bottom to the bottom of the house. It's kind of to solve a problem of water coming down off the clapboard and running back into the home because of the way the foundation is. So what's really going to happen is going to be cedar shake from about this height down, and it's going to be flare, kind of a belled flare. So it's going to allow the water just to run off the house and not drain back in. I haven't seen it done around here before, but it's definitely going to be an interesting way of solving the problem. I'll also add a little bit more charm to the house.
Yeah, it sounds interesting. Looking forward to seeing that.
It's going to be nice when it's done for sure.
Yeah, the dedication you put into keeping it with that historic feel.
It definitely took some time, but I think the devil's in the details when it comes to these houses for sure. When it's all said and done, it'll look great. There's nothing worse than looking at an old house and then seeing newer stuff all the way around it. It just destroys the look. So it's a small detail, but it's going to be a big one when it's all said and done.